How to add multiple stops in Waze. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Waze on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, simply click on Where to at the bottom and type in the location you want to go to. After you have typed in the location, it will calculate the route for you. After it calculates the route, you will find it in the map in this way. Press on Go Now. From bottom, simply hold on upwards and you'll find this kind of screen. Here, click on Add a Stop and then add another stop. Click on Add a Stop and the new stop will be added. This is how to add multiple stops in Waze. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.